Globescout panniers are constructed out of a 1.5 millimeter thick aluminum magnesium alloy. They are then anodized in either a clear or a black finish. They are not powder coated and they are not bare aluminum. The Globescout pannier lid is hinged on both sides, which means you can open it from either end and it will stand with the assistance of the retainer cable. The Globescout latch is a work of art. It has an internal mechanism to secure the latch in the locked position. The lid has a handle that the latch connects to. It hangs lower, thus providing a better angle and the ability for the latch to compress the lid onto the lower portion of the box. Keys can also be removed when the latch is unlocked. Globescout uses a 100% steel mounting puck system. Most other manufacturers' pucks are made of Delrin, which is a type of plastic. If you take a look at the steel pucks, you'll also notice that they are notched. This is to ensure that the mounting arms stay in the proper location in even the harshest conditions. Just align the pannier correctly, turn the mounting kit to the proper position, and spin the wheels on the inside of the pannier to lock it onto the motorcycle. The inner bags have considerable thought put into them as well. Beautifully constructed from a material that isn't too thick or thin, they have multiple entry points for loading outside the pannier or quickly accessing while inside. Thanks for checking out this overview of the Globescout World Class pannier.